Hey guys, another cool technique video this week on how to get a painted glittery geometric effect. I've got a dummy here that's 8" round and roughly 5" high. I haven't got any real cake orders for a few weeks, hence the nail polish. First time I've been able to wear it in about 2 years. So once you have your cake covered, allow it to firm up a little bit. Then grab some greaseproof paper or baking paper. I've folded it into 3 pieces just to make it quicker. Take some scissors and start cutting thin strips from it. If you want to be more precise, you can measure yours out. Now you want some veg fat, commonly known as Trex in the UK or Crisco in the US. Brush Trex onto one side of your strip and start placing them on at random angles. Run your finger over the strip to stick it down. Just keep placing them on, joining some lines together and chopping off any long pieces. You can play around with the final look by using thinner or thicker stripes or placing them closer or farther apart. Once you're happy and they are stuck into place, grab your colour. I'm using airbrush paint as it's already liquid, but you can use watered down gel or metallic paints or even lustres. I'm going for pastels, so I'm tipping in some white dust and a bit of water for a pale runny paint. Start filling in some of the gaps and also partial paint in others. We are aiming for some of the colours to merge. Take some kitchen towel and dab some texture into the paint, removing it in some areas and adding blotches to others. Don't worry if it spills over into another space, that's what we're aiming for. Now choose another colour. I went for pink airbrush, again mixed with white. Add some of this to the purple areas and dab it to blend it. Finally, choose another colour for the last pieces. I went for teal, again dabbing it into some of the pink. For extra texture, grab some gold lustre. I'm using this one by Faye in Regency Gold. Tip it into a bowl. Add some lemon extract and dip in your cake decorating toothbrush. Flick the bristles with your thumb to launch varying gold speckles all over your design. They look quite harsh throughout the video, but it's quite subtle in person. For extra dazzle, I'm adding some of this white powder puff dust by Sugar Flare, which comes in a handy pump bottle. Shimmery sparkles. Now start removing the greaseproof paper strips to reveal your pattern. Yours will mostly come off cleaner than mine. I'm in a bit of a rush to get to Cake International. But if you do have a tiny bit of paint leakage like me, you can clean it up with some lemon extract, a paintbrush and some kitchen towel. Dab the excess paint with your lemon extract and wipe it away with the paper. And we're done. A quick and easy project for a bit of wow factor. Try teals and greens for a mermaid cake, rainbow colours for unicorn themes, or go bold with emeralds and blacks. Have a play and see what looks you can create. To see what I do with mine, head over to my Instagram at Cherry Cake Co. And you can also see what I get up to behind the scenes in the life of a cake designer at Cherry Cake Vlog. Thanks guys, see you next week for another tutorial.